Most people use Windows every day, but only know a few keyboard shortcuts like copy and paste. So in this video, I will show you 5 powerful Windows shortcuts that can save your time and make your work more productive. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Before we proceed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's go. So our first shortcut is the clipboard history. You can choose multiple from the copied items. To do that, or the shortcut key is Windows V. You can see here there are multiple things I copied, and I should choose the one I'm about to paste. And it also has something called the pin. The pin, if you pin any of your copied documents, even if you clear, like here, clear all, only the copied we are left, all the other ones are gone. So it's very essential and very good. It makes work very easier. The second shortcut is the screenshot tool. This opens the screenshot tool where you can select part of your screen in Windows or the full screen. The fastest way to take screenshot, to do that, go Windows Shift and S. You can select anywhere like here, click on it and save, or you can even copy it and paste it in your document. So our third shortcut is the emoji keyboard. Of course, this opens the emoji panel where you can insert emojis, symbols and GIFs directly into your text. To do that, hold the window and pop. Here, these are the GIFs, these are the key, the emojis, symbols. Okay, and fourth shortcut is the quick system menu. This opens a powerful menu where you can quickly access device manager, disk management, terminal and other systems. So to display or to view it, use Windows X. You can see here there are many settings here. Task manager certified, search one, blah blah, stuff like that. Okay, so the last but not the least, or last shortcut is the new virtual desktop. Create a new virtual desktop so you can separate your work, browsing and other tasks. What it actually means, this actually means switching between your desktops. For example, now I'm on this desktop here with this display, okay, with my logo display. So if I strike Windows D, you can see it takes me to another desktop where you can change your whatever you want. Still leave the other one in the same background. Now let's view them. Come here and you can see here. So I was there, I just switched to here. As you can see, so Windows D give you another one. So that's it. And these shortcuts can make using Windows much faster and more efficient. Try them and see how it saves your time. So as always, if you found the video helpful, let me know and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.